Foothills traffic, Cherokee 9611 Juliet's taking off at 21, departing to the south, Foothills.
Foothills traffic, Bonanza 51 Charlie, entering downwind, runway 21, a beam number 3, Foothills.
3. Just gonna go straight out for a bit.
Okay.
Green, 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 everything's good. Airspeed's alive. Get a little faster. Now we're picking up speed.
Foothills traffic, Bonanza 51 Charlie, base 21, Foothills. Bonanza 51 Charlie, final 21, Foothills. Bonanza 51 Charlie, clear 21, Foothills.
Actually, we'll listen to that for just a moment.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 8448 uniform, 10 miles southeast, inbound, runway 5, Monroe.
Say something. Alright, good, thank you. I don't know how this has happened, but it's
What you doing, babe?
not facing the way I like it to face.
Did you touch the compass? what do you like it to be?
I like it to just go.
With us?
Yeah.
Touch the compass, though. Here.
Good. Oh, the
There
compass.
you go.
All right.
I'm just going to maintain 5,000.
5,000, 131 Juliet Delta.
Braxton Evans. Atlanta Center, Cherokee 9611 Juliet, VFR request. Not high enough yet.
Picking up flight following.
Affirmative flight following. We're about 10 to the south of Foothills, looking to direct Claxton Evans, Charlie Whiskey Victor at 4,500.
We're 9611 Juliet, squawk code of 1131 ident.
1131 ident, 11 Juliet.
11 Juliet, I didn't get the destination or the aircraft type. I heard you 4,500 feet. What was the destination and aircraft type?
We are a Cherokee and we're going to Claxton Evans County. That's Charlie Whiskey Victor.
Charlie Whiskey Victor.
Affirmative.
Might want to repeat 45. I thought he said 25.
11 Juliet, radar contact south. I'm working at Foothills Airport, 8 miles.
What'd you say?
Might want to confirm here at 45 and not 25.
2,500. Oh no, you can't hear me at 2,500.
Okay.
November 121 Delta Juliet. 121 Juliet Delta contact. Daughter approach 128.32.
128.32, 121 Juliet Delta. Good day, sir.
Number 47, CG7 taken, please.
We might go 6,500.
47, CG7 come maintain 7,000, runner got 10-3022.
We'll level off here and see where we get to.
November 6745 Tango, change 1 over for 0127.85.
2785 for 45 Tango, see ya.
Tango, let's right to track 03018.